Hey everybody, welcome back once again. My name is Mike with El Yucateco, and today I'm going to be showing you how to elevate another side dish. We're going to be doing some cream style corn in the slow cooker right now. Once again, welcome back everyone. We really appreciate all your support. If you're not following us here yet, go ahead and hit that button down there right now. And without any further ado, let me show you how to put this together. Start off by spraying your slow cooker with a little bit of nonstick spray. Then add your corn. Now you can use canned corn for this, frozen corn, or fresh cooked corn off the cob. Cream cheese, butter, heavy cream, dried onion, dried garlic, parsley, salt and pepper to taste, and then the magic ingredient to kick this recipe off the charts, some El Yucateco Red. Now simply set your slow cooker to the low setting for approximately 3 to 4 hours. Keep a close eye on it for that first hour. As soon as everything starts to melt, go ahead and give that a good mix, and mix this occasionally every half hour or so. Just a couple hours later, after everything is melted and all those flavors have come together, it'll be time to serve this up. Then we'll garnish it with some pre-cooked chopped bacon and some fresh, colorful, crisp green onion. And it's just that simple, and you know what time it is. Taste test time. This smells incredible. Cheers, everyone. Okay, so I promise you that is the best cream corn you are ever going to taste. And that El Yucateco Red really sends this to the next level. There's a nice little kick on the back and a ton of extra flavor added to this dish. And of course, the bacon and the fresh chopped green onion doesn't hurt either. Now don't forget, as usual, I'll have all the recipe details down in the description. And that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Take care till next time. Remember to kick up all your recipes with the King of Flavor. And I'll see you on the next video.